Hello, today I'm in Mercedes SL55. In this video I'll show you the steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase or decrease the volume and navigate through speedometer display. Thanks to these two panels we can answer and end the calls. Now let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the two buttons, thanks to which we can change the section on the instrument cluster menu, and these two buttons allows us to navigate through it. So let's take a look. Firstly, we can check settings, trip info, odometer and trip 1 info, radio, informations, and next we can reset the settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.